Yay! Great job, Xavier. Is it fun?
You want to show Mama how you touch the bottom?
No.
You sure? One last try. Put your toes at the bottom. I'll get you down there, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Here we go.
Wow.
Did you do it? Yeah. Go tell the camera what you just did. What did you just do, Xavier?
Yeah. Well, look what I did.
What'd you do? Where'd you go?
Oh, he wants to dunk his head.
What did you touch, Xavier?
Down there.
Touch the bottom of the deep end
Huh?
with your feet. Want to do it again?
No.
Okay.
Down there.
Nope.
Come on.